Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Ayan si Sophia guys. Kinukuhaan ko lang siya ng Ayan si Sophia guys, kinukuhaan ko lang siya ng video pang memories niya someday. Ayan, 56 months na siya. Sophie, love you. Sophie love. Ayan Sophia guys, so 4 years and 8 months na si Sophia guys. Ayan, 56 months. Sophie, look here. Sophie, love you. Ayan, Sophia guys, so. What seed is that? Magtatanim din kami guys, ayan.
Red and pink. Oh.
Red and pink? What's the name of the flower? Show them. This one.
Oh, here.
This one. So, ayan si Sophia guys. Ayan, kinuha ko yung sunglasses niya kasi di niya daw Okay, put it on. Ayan.
I could see.
You can see me now?
Now I could see everything.
Alright, good job. I love you.
I love you too.
Are you ready to plant the seeds?
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna plant the seed guys. Ayan si Sophia guys.
Videos.
Yup, we're gonna make videos. This is for your memory, alright? I love you. Happy 56 months. Ayan, pang memory niya lang to guys. Mommy will get swabbel, yup. Come here. Tangga. Nope, we're gonna plant over here. Hold on. Come here, baby. So, ayan siya guys. 56 man. Ang bilis niya lumaki guys. Ayan, wala na akong baby. Ayan. Kaaral na yan siya guys. Pre-K. So, ayan. Sophia, love you, love.
I love you too.
Ayan, green na yung paan namin guys. Spring na dito. Pero malamig pa din sa umaga. Ayan, naka-jacket si Sophia. Mahangin dito ngayon. So, mommy will get swabbel and then we're gonna plant your seed, alright? Gusto niya mag-plant ng seed niya, guys. Ayan. Your teacher said you're growing your own too in the school, right? Did you plant your seed in your school? Sophie? Mrs. D said you plant.
I have to plant today?
Yup. You're going to plant. Love you, love, love. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to our channel. Silana and Sophia Vlog. Pang memories lang to ni Sophia, guys. Para paglaki niya, someday may makikita siya. So, ayan, guys.
Mom,
Yup.
can see this one. I can't wait to do this.
Love you, Sophia. Mommy and Daddy love you.
Mom, I can't wait to do this.
Alright. Ayan guys, 56 months. Dahil video saka pictorial sa kanya. Mommy will get the swabbel, alright? Alright, love? So that you can plant. Go back over there. Come on. That's not right. You're so cute. Love you. Ayan si Sophia guys. So magtatanim kami ng plant in there. Come here, over here. Magtatanim kami ng seeds.
Where are you going me?
Over here, love.
Over here?
Here, over here.
Over here?
Yep. Okay, put some of seeds here. Over here, come on. Ayan, Sophia guys, oh. Sophia planting flower. Ayan guys.
I got
Oh,
plants.
put a little bit more, love. Sophia planting seed, guys. Ayan. Hold on. Not too much, love. Only a little bit, alright? Alright, put over there. Alright, then you gonna water that one, alright? Eh, put it over all there. Lam, put it all.
Do this one?
Oh, yep. Cover it. Ayan, Sophia, guys. Good job.
Here.
Hi, guys. Ayan, Sophia, guys, oh. Naglalaro ng kite. Where's the kite? Over there. Sige, love.
Here,
Or like
Mom.
this.
Here.
What is that? Alright. Sophia playing kite, guys. Let it fly, love.